minute, okay? There are theories about how the universe started. We'll talk about those tomorrow. Check this out. Read it right here. Is that you want to read, Kev? No? Okay. Go ahead, Martha.
There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand.
Great. Think about that for a second. More stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on the beach. The universe also seems to be expanding slowly as time goes on, but we have only been to, humans have only been this far. Think about this. Here's the Earth, here's the moon. We've sent like a dozen people there, and that's it. There's like so much more to explore that we haven't explored. Gabe.
So wait, like one specific beach, like which beach, or all of the beaches?
I think it's one specific beach. I think it's just like saying like there are, we don't even know how many stars there are because there's millions and gazillions and billions.
Well, have we counted how many grains of sand?
No. Go ahead. There are a lot of stars. That's the bottom line here.
So how do they like technically know that there's more? Because there could possibly be more because there's more sand under. So
That's very true. So like this is just like a way to get you guys to start to think about how many stars there actually are. Like humans don't know how many stars there are in the universe because we don't have the technology to see that yet. There are a lot, and we have not gotten very far in our explorations to any. We've never gone to another solar system or anything like that. Okay, go ahead, Kev.
And why do you guys say that we only have one universe?
So when you say you guys,
Well, all right, us.
yes, us.
Yeah, us.
The theory is that there's one universe. We don't. I mean, that's what scientists believe. Not saying it's true or false right now. Questions I will take later, but there's going to be a lot of questions here. Okay, go to the right. Okay, here we go. Read it. Go, Hannah.
Even though this is true, the distances between stars are so great that most places of the universe is empty space.
Yeah. Most of the universe is actually empty space, which is crazy. Things are pretty spread out. Are you doing this? Yes.
what's empty space?
Without matter. It's not anything like we can experience on Earth because there's an atmosphere on Earth, but it's just like complete nothing. Like nothing.
Like it's just black.
Black. Nothing. Yes.
If they're so far away, why do they, like, if we look up into the sky, why do they seem so close to each other?
Because they're so huge that they look, and like distances when things are far away, like sometimes they feel like they're closer together. They're actually like millions of miles away. Steven.
So this is all theory.
This is all theory.
Actual fact.
None of it is a fact.
So you can be throwing them, so it's all like lies. It's gonna be lies.
Yeah.
No, this is
No,
going to be
this
less.
is a theory. So
I'll
it's
tell
not-
you what scientists they do know that there are stars outside of our solar
It's
system.
not a light flashlight that God's doing, like just a message.
No.
No.
Go to the right. Wait. Go ahead. 1 and 2. I need 2 readers here. Let's go. Stephen, you need to be silent right now. Thank you. Maya 1, Brianna 2.
Stars are not evenly spread out throughout the universe.
Instead, stars are clustered together in a large group called the galaxies.
Okay, go to the right. I can't take questions just yet. Oh, sorry, go back. Go back, sorry. I said sorry, and we're back at the thing, so read it.
Oh my gosh, she went back.
Okay. Noticing that people are not respecting the silent expectation. Please be silent during this time so everybody can stay on the same page. we're gonna move on. What is important is that you start writing as soon as you see the slide, so we can get all this stuff down and move on. Okay, go to the right. Okay, good. All right, read it, please. Did you read it? Go, Eddie.
The universe contains billions of galaxies, and each galaxy contains billions of stars.
Yeah.
That is a lot of stars.
Wow. This is the kind of thing, this is why you don't catch up. Okay, so there are a lot of stars in every galaxy, and there are a lot of galaxies. Okay, I'm going to ask you to really focus a little bit more right now. I'm not going to take questions just because it's been getting us really off task.
I can't see.
Okay, here we go. To the right. Okay, read this one, please. Everyone picks up their pen. Everybody starts writing. Go to Sherry.
Galaxies are separated by great distances.
It's not okay if you're not writing and then you slow us down later. Okay. Go ahead. I don't think it's gonna, I think it's gonna be another. There we go. Distances in space. Start writing the next one right now. Go ahead, Luciana.
Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Our sun is a star in the Milky Way galaxy.
Our galaxy is called the Milky Way galaxy. Oh, don't worry about our sun is a star in the Milky Way galaxy. You don't need to write that part. The last sentence is not in your notes. Guys, we have to stop calling out this much. It's not okay. Okay, go to the right. Okay, this is not in your notes. There are 3 types of galaxies. We're going to go over this a little bit later. Go to the right just a little bit. Right again. Right again. Right again. Okay, Milky Way. So, here we go. This is where the notes pick up. Raise your hand if you can read what's on the board. Okay, Martha, I haven't heard from you. Go ahead, Martha.
We can only see a few thousand nearby stars in our own galaxy.
Good. So we definitely can't see all the stars in our galaxy. But we can see some of them, especially if we're like on vacation in a place where there isn't a city and you look up at the sky and you can see way more stars. Have you ever done that?
No. Yep.
Okay, yeah, that's happened a couple of times. Yeah, okay. All right. So we're going to talk about some stars here. I got one more thing. Go to the right. Okay, this is the last part of this part. Go ahead. Who have I not? There's a lot of people who have not raised their hand yet. This is going to be a negative P. I'm asking you to please raise your hand. Go ahead, Gabe.
Astronomers use telescopes and radio telescopes to see stars in other galaxies.
Good. And this is like technology that we don't have access to, but astronomers can see that. Now there are 3 boxes on the bottom, right under this rectangle. It says spiral, elliptical, and irregular. These are the types of galaxies. You're going to draw them when we look at them. Yep, thank you. Okay, the first one is Milky Way galaxy. It's a spiral galaxy, and it looks like this. So you're going to draw it. Just draw it like a spiral. But please don't call out. That's your warning. You draw a spiral. I think you know how to do that. And the solar system, our solar system is about right here. I'm really frustrated with the calling out now, so don't be surprised if you start getting detentions. Right here is our solar system. It's tiny compared to how big the solar system actually is. I'm not going to take questions. Sorry, I just can't trust that people can handle it. It sucks, but go to the right. Okay, so I'm expecting you to draw the type of galaxy in the line. Okay, here is irregular galaxy. It looks like this, kind of like a big clump. It's not okay to call out. Can't call it again. Okay, you're just putting it there. There you go. And the final one looks like this. It's an elliptical galaxy. It just like is a bright, there's a lot of stars. Raise your hand. Do you think that humans could survive an elliptical galaxy? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Why? What do you think, Nate? Why? Yeah, it would be really bright and probably really hot. Okay. What's up, Gabe?
Does this have any connection to like an elliptical? Like a workout machine?
I can't imagine that it does. I don't know though. But I don't. I'm trying to make a connection. I don't see one. Yes, Nate. That was like a bunch of stars. Remember, the sun is just one star out of millions in the galaxy. So I think like we're getting silly and we're not catching what I'm saying. Like if you go back to the spiral galaxy, the fact that people are messing around right now is like so disrespectful. These are like a bunch of stars in the middle, pulled together from gravity. Remember, there are millions of stars that make up this galaxy. Our star, which is called the sun, is just a little tiny speck on the edge of the galaxy. Okay? All right. I'm not going to take questions yet. I will after. Okay, last part. Go to the right. We're going to go back to solar system. Yeah, read this, please. Some people just aren't participating. It's not okay. Go, Carlos.
The solar system consists of the planet revolving around the star. The star in our solar system is called the sun.
Good job. So write this down. Very good job. We're going on to the last part as soon as everyone's done. Raise your hand if you need more time. Okay, take it. You just need to write the word sun. And then you go. Okay, go ahead to the right. The star. Okay, last two readers here. Tobias and Morgan. Go ahead.
There are millions of different solar systems in the universe.
Okay, so here's what's going to happen right now. Oh, in the circles, there are 3 circles. In the very inner circle, you're going to write the word solar system. In the very inner circle. Solar system in the very inner circle on your paper. And then in the middle circle, you're going to write galaxy. So look at the circles on the paper. The very inner circle, you're going to write solar system. Then you're going to write galaxy. Then you're going to write universe, because there's only one. Just like unibrow, unicycle, that means one. It's going to be on your paycheck. There's only one. Everybody in this situation. Okay, here's what's going to happen right now. Right now you are going to take 5 minutes and do the independent practice. Then you are gonna do the exit slip, and then I'm gonna be passing out to you.